readers. My name is Etty Lewensztain, and I'm the founder and owner of Plonk Wine Merchants. So today we're talking about the perfect pour, how to pour the perfect glass of wine and what technique you should use when you're going to pour yourself a glass of wine. Now, there are a few things that you want to pay attention to here. The first thing is that you want to hold the bottle of wine at a far enough distance from the glass so that you're not actually touching the bottle to the glass. What happens when you do that is you might actually risk tipping the glass over, which you definitely don't want to do. So what you want to do is hold the bottle about 1 to 2 inches away from the rim of the glass. And what you want to pay attention to as well is on the way out, after you've poured the wine, you want to give a little twist of your wrist to the right, which will help avoid dripping all over the table and also dripping on the rim of the glass. So hold the bottle about 1 to 2 inches away, pour in a pretty thin stream, and then when you're done pouring, do a little twist to the right and you'll see no drips on your table. Now, people always ask me, should you utilize a different technique when you're pouring a glass of white wine or red wine, a rosé, maybe a sparkling wine or a dessert wine? And the answer is really no. You can use the same technique when you're pouring any of these types of wines, but when it comes to sparkling wines like champagne or Prosecco, you might want to tilt the glass a little bit the way you do when you're pouring a glass of beer so the carbonation retains itself in the glass and doesn't oxygenate too much. So here are some basic tips for achieving the perfect pour, and hopefully this has helped you when you're going to pour yourself a glass of wine.